Hey everyone, welcome to week 10. So let's get into what we're doing this week because it's not anything really new from last week. It's kind of a continuance of last week. And let me get up here. So last week we did a little review of what we are doing. We're working on this annotated bibliography, gave you the example and all of that. And we've been working on a worksheet for the first three sources, the reference sources. Remember, because we need to define our topic. We need to provide our audience with some background and some history and all of the things that are, commonly known about our topic. We want to make sure that they are thinking about our topic the same way we are. And then we're going to bring in three more sources that look at really focus on the surprising aspect. And so that's what we're going to be doing this week. So the only assignment we have due this week is another worksheet. Okay, that doesn't mean that's the only thing you're going to be doing because we're going to be doing research. We're going to be still gathering more sources, making sure our sources are really good, and getting ready and starting to write our annotated bibliography, which is going to be due next Tuesday. So I've changed this. It was due April 10th and it still shows April 10th right there, but I'll go ahead and change that. It's going to be due a week from Tuesday. So let's just look in here at this next worksheet. It's really the same, really similar to the first one, except the questions are a little bit different, okay? I'm asking for your topic and this surprising narrow focus on that topic, okay? If your topic is dogs, what is the kind of surprising aspect of dogs that you're going to be focusing on? And then just three more, citations for three more sources, just to compel you to get those in there, to get those down on paper and start organizing them, because then you will be more ready to actually, well, we're going to write, actually get your annotated bibliography due next week. Oh, that's right. I had this set as a to-do, not as a due date. This is just to remind you to get writing for your following, for that annotated bibliography that's due next Tuesday. Hopefully that's not too confusing. I'll add something here to make sure it's not confusing because look, it confused me. So that's it this week. It's another light week as far as a lot of different things that you need to be working on, but you do need to be working on the annotated bibliography. Since I'm giving you a little bit more time, I'm going to be expecting it to be finished by next Tuesday. So please let me know if you have any questions, if you have issues, if you want to meet up on Zoom and talk about your assignment or your sources in any way, you let me know, okay? Other than that, have a really great week. Bye-bye.